What's up, guys? We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, about to try Raising Cane's chicken. She's never had it, and Preg over here is feeling nauseous. Got that morning sickness. It's been rough these past few weeks, but we got these cool puke bags from the dentist the other day. All right, Raising Cane's. It's been a long time since I've had Raising Cane's.
Welcome to Raising Cane's, where the chicken no longer crosses the road. What can I get for you today?
Oh, that's good. 1 second. I'm gonna figure this out.
Order whenever you're ready, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.
Awesome. I'm ready. I'm gonna get the Caniac combo.
Okay, what would you like to drink?
Let's do Sprite,
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
and that should do it.
Okay, can I get a name for your order, please?
Yeah, Donald.
Okay, Donald, it'll be $11.65 per person. Please, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, we got the Caniac. The Caniac.
Looks like shrimp. Like, oh, it's a shrimp.
Donald,
Yes.
there you are.
Right, Sprite for Mrs. Pukey.
Ketchup tonight?
No ketchup.
None?
Nope.
Thank you. Have a great night.
You too,
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Right, Raising Cane's. Let's eat. Raising Cane chicken fingers. Crispy chicken tender. You got some amazing some of the softest bread I've ever had. And the amazing special cane sauce. I don't know what it is, but it's special. It's delicious. You got some coleslaw, mayo, not vinegar, and some crinkle cut fries. Okay. Now take some chicken and dip it in that sauce.
I really thought that it's a shrimp. Jollibee. What's special with this one?
I don't know.
It smells mayonnaise. Sorry, in Filipino. Pew, dripping.
Special sauce.
I hope.
Duh. How's that Cane's chicken? Yeah. What I like about it, they don't
The
have.
sauce is good.
Yeah, they don't have different type of chicken. They just have these chicken tenders, and that's it. They're like, we're good at doing this, so we're not going to mess with anything else.
Is it?
Limited recipe or limited menu. Yeah. They got a few options, and that's it.
Just
Add some soft bread. You can make
Let's try it.
You can make a chicken taco.
I don't like tacos.
You dip that sauce in the bread.
There's something in this one. They brush something in it.
Maybe.
On it. Yeah. You can taste it.
Butter.
I think so. Why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
It's hot.
All right. Another car date. Raising Cane's. It's the first time for everything, especially with her. There's a lot to experience. Hopefully she doesn't puke all this up, Miss Prego over here. But she's
Let's talk
feeding the
about it.
baby. Fried food, but it's okay. We don't eat this like
not
this every
oily.
day. Yeah. All right, guys. You like Raising Cane's? Have you been to the new one here in Huber Heights? Great, fast service. Wasn't too busy today. I'm sure Raising Cane was a good dog. If you're curious about Raising Cane's, never been to it, you can look them up. They got a pretty cool story. Cane was a dog.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm Duck. That's Monkey. Love you guys.